I'm so tired of paying Dropbox $120 a year when this Canadian startup just destroyed them in my speed tests. Before I show you these shocking results, click the link below for an exclusive discount on FolderFort's lifetime storage deal. Trust me, you'll want this after seeing what I discovered. Okay, so I set up identical 500 MB file uploads to both platforms, Dropbox on the left, FolderFort on the right, same Wi-Fi, same computer, same everything. And honestly, I expected Dropbox to win because, well, they're Dropbox. But watch this. FolderFort finished uploading in 2 minutes and 14 seconds, while Dropbox took 3 minutes and 8 seconds. That's nearly a full minute faster. But here's the kicker. FolderFort costs $99 once for lifetime storage, while Dropbox wants $120 every single year. I did the math, and after just 1 year, you're already saving money. Plus, FolderFort runs on Backblaze's infrastructure, which is the same tech powering major companies. The interface is clean, sharing is simple, and honestly, it just works without the subscription headache. So if you're tired of bleeding money on cloud storage, grab that lifetime deal in the description below. Your wallet will thank you.